Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I built a mechanical keyboard and my wife got curious and also wants to build one. I have not done any research on what she has gotten. What'd you get?
Yeah, so I wanted to build a setup that's ergonomical. I work from home and so I'm at a computer typing all day long. And so I decided that for my main keyboard setup, it will be the Ergodox EZ. And then I'm also going to have a number pad on the side to go with it. The Ergodox came pretty well already assembled. The number pad needs to be built, and this will be a 3-part series where first we're going to build the number pad. Next, we're going to test switches for these and determine what's going to be the best setup. And then last will be final assembly for everything. Stay tuned.
My wife finished unboxing. Do you want to let them know what it all came with?
Yeah, so this came with a aluminum body, my PCB board, stabilizers, extra tools, foam, a polycarbonate dampener, and some cables to plug it into the computer. Let's get building. So, just kidding. As it turns out, this build needs soldering, and I don't have a soldering tool. So, we're going to put this part on pause, and instead we're going to test out switches and determine what switch I need. We need that because since this is going to be soldered and those switches will be soldered into place, I need to make sure that I have the correct switch that I want to use. And luckily, I am prepared for that part. So let's switch over to that. Alrighty, so through with taking all the keycaps and the switches out, that took a little bit. Now I'm ready to start putting in some of my tester switches. So I've got 3 different sets of switches that I want to try out. I've got these 2 sample packs from Canon Keys. I've got a tactile switch sampler pack, and I've got a heavy linear switch sample pack. I also went to Micro Center and I got this switch sample pack that's got some pretty common ones that I wanted to test out as well.
What is the verdict on the set?
I don't like this set. They feel nice, but they're just too loud. Man, really sad I just broke this one. They're too loud. They're not what I'm looking for. So I'm hoping to find success with the next ones. Oh, that just keeps breaking.
What is the verdict on this pack?
Yeah, so I just tested the heavy linear switch sample pack, and a lot of really loud ones, but I think I have two winners of this pack so far, and that is the Haimu heartbeat and the coral. So here's Haimu, and here's heartbeat, or coral. Coral's a bit louder than the heartbeat, but I like the feel of both of these, so they're making it to the next round.
We have a winner. Which one?
We do. So with the very first pack, I didn't really like any of those, but it was educational to learn the difference between a lubed and unlubed switch. So I highly recommend. That was a good kit to be able to test out different ones. The second kit that I did was the heavy linear switches from Canon Keys. And to be honest, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like any of those, but I loved two of them. It was that heartbeat and it was that coral. Both are pretty quiet, but they've got a nice feel to them. So next, this test is the Tactile switch sampler pack. Tried all the different ones that were on here. I love Whisper. That is my favorite keycap switch so far. I'm still kind of torn between Heartbeat and Whisper, but I kind of like Whisper more. So I think Whisper's the winner.
All right, video 124 done.